Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for anyone who's had a keratin treatment or just wants luscious, hydrated locks. Get ready because we're about to explore why Pureology Hydrate Moisturizing Conditioner is the best choice after a keratin treatment. Picture this. You've just stepped out of the salon with a fresh keratin treatment. Your hair is sleek, shiny, and oh so smooth. But how do you maintain that salon-worthy look at home? Enter Pureology Hydrate Moisturizing Conditioner. This luxurious conditioner is specifically designed for medium to thick, dry, color-treated hair. What makes this conditioner stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, it's sulfate-free and vegan, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. But the real magic lies in its thirst-quenching formula. It provides deep moisture, touchable softness, and extraordinary color protection. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what others have to say. Customers rave about the results they've seen with Pureology Hydrate. From increased shine to improved manageability, the reviews speak for themselves. Now, let's talk application. Simply apply a dime-sized amount to shampooed hair, massage it through, and wait 12 minutes before rinsing. It's that easy. Plus, a little goes a long way, so you'll be enjoying this conditioner for quite some time. But how does Pureology Hydrate stack up against other options? Well, let's just say it's in a league of its own. Unlike some cheaper alternatives, Pureology delivers salon-quality results without compromise. So, whether you've just had a keratin treatment or you simply want to pamper your locks with the best of the best, Pureology Hydrate Moisturizing Conditioner is the way to go. Say hello to hydrated, healthy hair that turns heads wherever you go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, stay fabulous.